Hello everyone, this is Ashish Bhardwaj. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that how I got 8 bands in IELTS speaking and how you guys can also achieve your desired score in IELTS. First of all, I would like to tell you guys that IELTS speaking is the easiest module of all 4. Okay, why it is easy? Because this is not a GK test or an interview. Okay, GK test and interview are difficult because there is a right and wrong answer. For example, if I ask you a question, what is the capital of Cambodia? Some of you guys might know the answer, others might not. So this is a difficult question. But suppose if I ask you a question, what's your favorite movie? Every answer is a right answer. So you're getting my point? It is just an opinion and a conversation. Moreover, opinions are never wrong. We might disagree with something, but they are never wrong. So whatever you are going to say, as long as it is on topic, the examiner will give you bands if you're speaking good English. Okay. One more thing, there are many people who speak even better than me. Okay. But the only difference is that I give good answers. What I try to do is every time I'm going to appear this exam, I'm going to give the answers which teacher is going to remember even after I'm gone. Okay. I'm not going to give simple answers. Let me give you an example. For example, if the teacher asks me a question, what are your hobbies? Most of the students will answer, my hobbies is watching movies, listening music, traveling. These type of answers are very common. What I will say is my hobby is doing adventure sports. I like to do paragliding and skydiving, and these are my hobbies which I like to pursue at least once a month. When the teacher will listen this answer, he is going to be impressed because he hasn't heard this answer from any other of his students. I am 90% sure the students are going to say same answer. And other thing what you can improve in your speaking is that if you have a basic knowledge of English, okay, in India English is not a very big thing. Okay, we studied in English schools. English is a very common subject and most of the students have knowledge about English. The issue is with the student is that they are just focusing on English part. Okay, English is important, yes, but the ideas are more important. So if you think you can speak very well, just give a topic to yourself and try to speak in your mother tongue. I am 100% sure many of you will falter and you won't be able to speak even in your mother tongue. So the issue is with ideas. So start developing ideas so that your confidence and knowledge is improved. One more thing which you can do is when you are speaking, try to give answers which are very engaging and the teacher think that you have really done this. Okay, make this into a conversation. One more thing which I recommend to my student is that just take it as a blind date. Okay, this is a blind date. You are going there and you have to impress the teacher. There are 2 ways you can impress the teacher. The first is with your English, obviously it's very important. The second is with ideas. Okay, give good answers. That is the main thing. Even if you have normal English, if your ideas are good, the chances are you will get at least 6, which is the requirement of most students. And I'm talking about those students who need only 6 in IELTS and have very good, less command of English language. Okay, for those students, I think it is important that they should give more engaging answers. Why I also think that speaking is easy is because teachers are humans just like us, and we always form an opinion. When you are listening my video, you form an opinion about me, and even I form an opinion about students. That is why it's very hard to see to students who get 9 in writing and speaking, because it all depends upon the examiner. Okay, and the examiner is just doing his job. He is there from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and almost everyone and many students are just nervous or saying same answer again and again. The teacher knows at the point that your answers are memorized or not. Okay, so the first thing which I would like you guys to improve is your ideas, and just make sure your every single answer is very engaging and it sounds like it should be true. So, and more, those students have watched my videos, they also know that I just talk about Diljit Dosanjh. So many of you guys might think that I'm a big fan of Diljit Dosanjh. That is not true. He's a good singer, but I'm not his die-hard fan. I just find his name easy to say. So that's why I use Diljit Dosanjh. Okay, so all you all need to do is just make sure that your ideas are good. Have a command of basic English. Once you're done with basic English, try to improve your ideas. Use my strategy for CUECARDS. Give good follow-up questions, good general questions. Trust me, you will get your desired score. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much.